This is my second video in coding. If you've had a practice run in Code Combat and want to try something a little bit harder, the next thing to look up is Turtle Academy. And we will start to learn coding. Yep, this is where I like to start. Okay, so information's over the side here. I'm going to move the ads out of the road and we're going to get started. Actually, I'm going to be in the road here. I'll move over here. There we are. Okay, so over here is where we type our code, and it's saying move forward, and by moving forward 50. Now I'm going to try and make a cube today, so I'm going to go straight into a cube. So I'll type in forward 100. Now adjusting this a bit more so I can still see. Okay, yep, that's all good. Now this cube is going to be done in isometric drawing, which means everything's on an angle of 30 degrees. So we are going to turn right. Now, if I turn right 90 degrees, we're ready to go across, and just to make we'll make just a normal square, but we want to do an isometric cube, so we're going to go left the 30 degrees, which there we are. Now forward 100. Now we need to start working our way down. We'll go right 90. We're still not quite there. Next comes at 30 degrees again, which is right 30. There we are. Now we're in line, ready to go. We're going to be doing a parallel line here. Forward 100. There we are. Now you can start to see we're doing one face off the cube so far. Again, we'll turn right. We'll go 90. We've got to get that 30 degrees again, so we can go left 30. You may notice there is a shortcut where I just have to go right 60, which you can jump straight to that if you recognize that. Forward 100. There's our first face completed on our cube. Now we'll do the left face. So I'm going to go right 90 and left 30. There we are. Now I probably should be saying left 30 degrees. I'll start saying degrees from now on. And forward 100. Now if you want to make a rectangular prism, you just change just the distance you travel on two of the faces. Okay, now we're going to go right 90 degrees. There we are. Now left 30 degrees, and of course forward, because we're going parallel, to this other line, forward 100. Oh, what did I make a mistake? Forward 100. I should concentrate on what I'm typing. There we are. Now right. Wonder if we can do this. I'll finish off this face and then I'll do the final face, which means we will have to go over another line again. Right. 90. Not quite there. Got to go a bit further. Right. 30. There we are. Forward 100. Now, two faces done. And we'll just finish off the last bit. We go left. Let's just jump straight into left 60. We know that's going to be right. Perfect. Forward 100. Now, unfortunately, they made the line a little bit thicker than the other ones, but we could, I think the next lessons in this program is lifting the pen. So if you lift the pen, it won't make a thicker line. But just for starters, we're going pretty good here. Finishing off left. If we go 90 degrees and add another 30, we should be spot on there. So let's go 120 degrees. There we are. Forward 100. Left 60 degrees. Forward 100. And there's our cube. Done. See how you go having go at creating a cube using Turtle Academy. This is also using Python code as well. So and I'll do a few more videos of other objects to do and other shortcuts and other challenges. But this program is absolutely awesome for learning Python coding.